Make a great choice today with the 2012 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, front and rear power outlets, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.